My apartment is a freaking mess. I need to wipe, clean, do everything. But one thing is on a positive note, this little vacuum here, I found it on TikTok for under 200 and it empty itself and you don't have to touch it for 3 months, which is awesome. So I can be like cooking, doing the stuff. And once this one is done, my house will be spotless. It does carpets, hardwood floor, tiles, mop and clean. So yeah, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, I found this to be like really nice, and it's the Genie one, so it's not like a bullshit brand or anything. I'm gonna link it in the bottom, check it out.